And welcome back, Illumineers, for part 2 of our Disney Lorcana Return to the Inklands openings. Here we got ourselves another special treat. We just happened to come across another box. And my young fella is just showing it off, but we're not going to waste your time on that. We're just going to crack this bad boy open and just get to the good stuff. Now, if you watched the previous video, you would see that I was a little disappointed. We did get 5 legendaries, so I can't complain. Didn't get any of the cards I was hoping to get. I was really wanting to see some of the Robin Hoods or the Morphs. Well, we're just going to keep on going. Maybe we'll have better luck. And it was the first box we got where we didn't get an Enchanted. Now, our other previous videos, we had always had an Enchanted in each box. And I guess we just had a horseshoe up our butts. So, anyway, young fellas, not wasting any time. Let's just fire through these and see what we're going to get. Let's go. We got an RLS Legacy. Ooh, there's our Morph. I like that. That's what I want. I want my Morph and a Boss's Orders. And the RLS Legacy is another good card for the Jim Hawkins. I want to see a Jim Hawkins. I want some of Jim Hawkins. He is another awesome card. But let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see an Enchanted. A Gramatalo Enchanted would be awesome. Or Jafar. Alright, got a Milo, Magic Broom, Gramatala. Alright, let's fire through those. We don't need those. We just want to get to the good stuff. Alright, got Starlight Vial, we got a Piglet, that's not bad, and a Shiny Mutani. Mutani. Please tell me how I say that word. Me and another gentleman last night at the draft, we were trying to figure out how to say that. Either one of us never watched. I think it's from Moana. Let's see. Okay, let's see what this one here is going to get us. My young fella's nodding here that he's got a feeling. He's got a special feeling. Okay, I got a Pluto. I got an... Oh my God, Lord love a duck. That's 500 bucks. Oh, Moose, we got ourselves another Enchanted. Woo! Wow. Okay, wow, that is a good one. That is a good one. I tell you, he's got the lucky touch. That is awesome. That is going to be going right into a top loader here. I'm just going to set it off aside here for now where it's safe and sound. Wow. All right. Now that answers the, well, I wonder what is the chances of getting 2 in a box. Now, could you imagine if that happened? If we were to pull 2, that would be pretty insane. I don't think it's going to happen, but you never know. And that's what I had asked before. Oh, just 1 second here, and no, we got a Simba. So, yes, have you ever seen 2 Enchantments in a box? Please let us know. I am very curious. How often does it happen? Now, it's got to happen, I'm sure. I'm sure it's very rare, but let us know in the comments. All right, we got a Peter Pan, we got a Chubby. Let's just fire through these. We got a Repair, we got a Chief, Miss Blanca, Robin's Bow. We got a Simba, Pride Lands, Audrey, and a Don Carnage. I still want that Robin Hood. Got a Morph. I want a big Robin Hood. I love the Robin Hood, especially if you want to run, say, the new Infinite combo with the Relentless Beast and having the Bayou and Sean Silver. Having Robin Hood in there is great for the offense. Alright, we got Shenzi, the Magic, the Spell, and a Shiny Kita. Magica, I like Magica. When I first saw her, I was pretty stoked using her with the Lucky Dime. But people are saying it's a little slow to get going, but maybe we'll see something here down the road once the meta takes a little more of a form, starts taking shape. Okay, let's see. Getting into the okay, ooh, another Maleficent for the legendary. That's all right. Well, that's not too bad. I will take that. Yeah, we'll put her off to the side, and we'll see what else we're gonna get here now. Just fire those in the woods. We don't need them. And let's see. Just get fire through that stuff. We don't really care about the junk. The bulk is just there for bulk. Alright, let's get going. Okay, we got ourselves a Treasure Guardian, an Alice, and a shiny Robin Hood as a foil. I like that. As a card I'm thinking of playing around with the Robin Hood with Emerald there. Try running maybe Queen Disguise Peddler. I feel like if you run that, maybe put some evasive characters in there and using the Queen, and you know, and then probably with your Flynn Rider, his own biggest fan, and then you could try pairing up with Ruby for the Mickey Taylor Mickey there, or maybe with Amethyst. Just 1 second here. Ooh, another John Silver. Yeah, and then if you have the Amethyst there, you could put in Maleficent Dragon. So you could try getting some big lore gain coming on the end, maybe using the Queen Disguise Peddler. I don't know, but it will be cool to see what happens here in the next few weeks. Okay. We got Patch, Wendy, Friar Tuck. Let's get, there we go. Ariel, a Little John, and a Olympus would be that way. Alright, let's see what this here is going to get us. Alright, crack that pack and let's get going. We got a Flotsam, we got a Bestow a Gift, Cloud Kicker, blah, can't speak. Alright, oh, we got a Pyros, we got a Moana, duh, a Moana. Alright, let's see, come on, Daddy needs a new pair of shoes, let's go. Alright, see here, Pua, how do you say that? And where's he from? I think he's from Moana, 99 Puppies, Cloud Kicker, and Maui. And then along came Zeus, Maui's Fishhook. That is one I'm not really overly... I don't know, I think Maui's Fishhook is probably my least favorite rare. I'm not too sure about it. I'm just going to read it. If you have a character named Maui in play, you may use this item's shape-shift ability for free. So it's good if you have Maui in play. And then you can choose one. You pay 2 ink and exert the card. Chosen character gains evasive. Oh, I better pay attention here. We're getting into the rares. We got another Scrooge McDuck, and we got a Tinkerbell. So with Maui's Fishhook, you can exert the card, pay 2 ink, choose one. Chosen character gains evasive till the start of your next turn. Yeah, that's alright, I guess. Chosen character gets +3 this turn, but it's also an item. I don't know. I'm just not a big fan of it, but let me know what you guys think of Maui's Fishhook. Do you guys like it? Do you have some use for it? Come on, let's see ourselves with Jafar. We got a Stitch, another Hydra. We got another Hydra for Legendary. Alright, keep on trucking. So far, this box, we got ourselves a Hydra, a Maleficent, and an awesome Enchanted Ursula. Love that Ursula. Wow. That is going to be a popular card. Whenever this character sings a song, you may play that song again from your discard for free, and then put it on the bottom of the deck. I'm thinking Prince John deck with her. I don't know why. I love the Prince John discard deck. So being able to sing Mother Knows Best twice or Sudden Chill, I think would be pretty cool. You got another Robin. Ooh, another Lucky Dime. Nice, nice. Lucky Dime is not a bad card. Not a bad card. Maybe it'll be a sleeper card. I don't know. 7 ink is pretty expensive. But again, Lucky Dime maybe with the new Robin Hood. Along with the Queen Disguise Peddler. You got some options there. Lucky Dime, you can get 4 with Robin Hood or Flynn Rider, his own biggest fan. Alright, what are we going to get here now? Okay, getting into our rares. On your feet now. Ooh, another Cursed Merfolk. And again, I was just talking about Prince John discard decks. Cursed Merfolk is definitely going to be one that you're going to want in there. For 1 ink, you get a 0/1 that does 2 lore. And whenever he's challenged, your opponent has to discard a card. I definitely like the Cursed Merfolk. Alright, let's see what else we're going to get here. Forbidden Mountain. Alright, let's just fire through these. We don't need this. Alright, Cuzco's. Gyro. Ooh, a Tinkerbell. And a Simba. Alright, keep on trucking. So what are we at so far for this? We got 3 Legendaries and 1 Enchanted. Not bad. Not bad. Alright, so that gives us a total now of all of our boxes and everything we've opened. Total, like in the whole Lorcana history, we've gotten ourselves 4 Enchanteds. We'll take it. Some haven't gotten any, so we do have a horseshoe. A little bit, I think. Some people say they've opened up 200-300 packs and they've gotten no Enchanteds. Like I said, there's a gentleman at our league there. He bought 5 boxes, got 1 Enchanted. Is a little bit of a disappointment, you know. You would think, well, I guess the 1 per case, so, you know, I guess that's on par. What do you guys think? What do you think of the hit rates on this set so far? You think you'd give it a yay or a nay? Have you been getting a lot of pulls, or do you find that it's they're just being a little stingy on the enchantments this round? I kind of thought with having more enchantments this time, because now they have 18 enchantments instead of 12 like the previous two sets. I kind of figured that maybe they'd be a little more generous with the enchantments. No, shouldn't say generous, but I thought, you know, we might see them a little more, but doesn't seem like it. Ooh, a sorcerer's hat, and we got a Milo. And let's see, we're almost down to the end here. Not going to be too much longer. Fire those in the woods. If you got a wood stove or a wood furnace, those there, well, I guess the ink wouldn't be good for it, but I was going to say you could use it as kindling, would be helping you getting the fire going. Maybe on a cold winter night, you're outside having a fire. That's all those are really going to be good for. Unless you're new. I mean, yes, if you're new, they're good to have maybe one or two, but you definitely don't need 100 of them. I kind of miss the puzzle pieces, and I think a lot of people do. Leave a comment down below if you missed the puzzle piece. I was thinking they were going to do a new puzzle. I am a little disappointed. Alright, let's see. We got a Stratos, we got a Heart of Atlantis, and we got a shiny Baloo. That Baloo for a bodyguard ain't bad, you know. If he gets, when he gets taken out, you get 2 lore. He does his job, and then at least he still benefit from it. Alright, an Agrabah, Diablo, Pluto, Baboom, Mr. Stoops, Pluto. I'm a little disappointed though still. I wanted a Robin Hood. I can't believe. Oh, a Helga Sinclair. She's alright. And a Heart of Tafiti. That's not a bad one either. Oh, come on. Let's see a Robin Hood. I know, I shouldn't be greedy. I got an enchanted. I really wanted the Robin Hood. Out of 2 boxes, I figured I'd get at least 1 Robin Hood. I did get a Morph, you know. And I didn't even get a Jafar. Wow. But, you know, again, like I said, I did get an Ursula. And the question is, do I trade the Ursula? Should I sell the Ursula and get more cards? Or should I hold on to the Ursula? Leave a comment down below. That I don't know. Alright, we got a Simba. Let's see, what are we going to get? We got a Boo. We got a pig. We got a pig for the last one. Boo earns. Boo earns. And so you can see here, this is what our spoils that got us out of that box. Not a whole lot for legendaries. I'm a little bit of a sad panda on that. Again, like I said, would like to see a little more of the Robin Hood and maybe the Jafar. I kind of got a lot of the same ones I got out of the previous box, so you know, I kind of suck. But I mean, I can't complain. I got myself an Ursula. I don't know if I want to trade this bad boy in, or do I want to keep it and hold on to it. You know, I am a bit of a collector nut, so I do like to hold on to things. At the same time, I could use the Ursula to get me the Jafars and the Robin Hoods and maybe even another box of cards. So again, if you like this video, please leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And please smash the thumbs up button, give us a like and subscribe. And stay tuned to our channel for more Lorcana news, updates, and openings and gameplay videos.